PC Health Check brings you up-to-date info on the health of your Windows device. In Search on the taskbar, search for and open PC Health Check. First, with your Microsoft account, you'll be able to back up and sync preferences and passwords across your devices. Also back up your photos and files to OneDrive. PC Health Check lets you know if your device isn't up to date. Select Open Windows Update to navigate to the setting. Next, you can view how your batteries are performing compared to their original capacity. Select See Battery Saving Tips for steps to improve your battery life. You can view how much storage space is free and used for your main drive. Select Manage Storage Settings to get cleanup recommendations. You can get info on the startup time for your device. Select Manage your startup programs to review and change your startup apps if you want. If you're currently running Windows 10, PC Health Check can see if your device can run on Windows 11. Select Check Now to see. And for more ways to improve your device performance, select Tips on PC Health.